In this training segment, we will learn how to add a new manufacturing order, how to apply a manufacturing template, how to print a route sheet, how to change a task status, and how to filter by task status. To add a new manufacturing order, select the drop-down menu to the right of the manufacturing icon. Select the Add function. You will be presented with a list of product templates. Locate the appropriate template by selecting the Find function and typing the part number of the end item. Select the product template by clicking on it and selecting Enter. Enter the quantity of items required for this order in the quantity need. Next, enter the need date to indicate when this order should be completed. The part number and revision, among other things, will come over from the template. You may enter a manager and work type if necessary. Enter a work start date if you know when work will be commencing. Select a customer if this job is for a specific customer. In a later segment, we will also cover generating manufacturing orders from sales orders. Set a priority if applicable. This can be useful to get visibility of orders that need to be expedited. You may let the system calculate the estimated completion date or override this and manually enter the completion date. You may edit the manufacturing header later if you need to modify or update any of this information. Select OK to finish adding the header. You now have a new manufacturing order. The manufacturing order number was automatically generated by the system in this example. Before work begins, you will want to print the manufacturing route sheet. The route sheet is designed to be filled out manually as it travels through the shop. It will carry inspection stamps along with other QA documentation. Depending on the regulatory requirements your operation is subject to, you may need to retain a hard copy of this document for audit purposes. To do this, select the Global function from the main work screen. Next, select Print from the Global menu. From the Print menu, select Print Route Sheet. The print setup for the route sheet will appear. Make sure the standard manufacturing order route sheet is the selected document. There are various options available when printing a route sheet. If you're using the integrated barcoding system to record labor, make sure to select the option to include task barcode labels. Select Print to generate the route sheet. Here is an example of the route sheet printed in preview mode. When work begins, you will want to maintain the statuses of the required tasks. Let's set the first task to Open Status. First, select the desired task. Next, select the Status button. You will be presented with a list of possible statuses. Let's set the status to In Process. Refer to Segment 8 for more information on how to add different statuses. Double-click with your mouse or select Enter to select a status. Quantum provides several status filters that let you filter based on status type. There are 5 different possible status types: Pending, Open, Delay, Closed, Cancel. The Task Status filter will only task with the selected status. For example, if you do not want to see open tasks, you can remove those tasks by selecting the Open Status filter. Notice that the open task has been filtered out. To recap what we have learned in this training segment, we learned how to create a new manufacturing order, how to apply a template, how to print a route sheet, how to change a task status, and how to filter based on task status. You are now ready to begin the next training segment, how to record labor entries.